Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to show you how to configure the SMS command on the Comset CM820V-W. To the left-hand side, we have the GUI interface of the Comset device. And here to the right-hand side, we have a mirror image of my mobile phone that I am going to use to send the SMS command. So let's begin. If you go to Services and select SMS, and enable the SMS command, here you can see a list of commands that we can use, including reboot, so you can reboot the router, cell status, you can control the cell link to be up or down, and here you can control the digital input output with these commands. You can also control the Wi-Fi to be on or off, as well as get information about the operator. Okay, let's save this page and go to the next tab, which is Sms Alarm. Now, if you enable Sms Alarm, you get an alarm notification if your signal strength reaches a certain threshold. I'm not going to use this feature for now. Let's go to the third tab, which is phone number. And here I am going to enter my mobile number, which is +61 412 412 117, and click on Save and Apply. Okay, so now let's test the SMS command. So if we enter on my mobile phone the recipient mobile number, which is the number of the SIM card in the Comset router, and enter the command cell status, for example, in lowercase, and click on send. Now we should get a reply with a set of data that we can view on the mobile phone as well as on the GUI interface. So as you can see here, the SMS log, you have the sender is my mobile number, and we send the command cell status. And as you can see to the right hand side, we have the LAN IP address of the router, the WAN IP address. So if this WAN IP address is a public IP, in this case it is private, but if it is a public IP, it is handy to be able to log into the router using the public IP address. Number 3 is the number of bars, signal quality, cell status is up, and the router is connected to LTE. So if you refresh the page here on the GUI interface, as you can see, we have the same set of data that you can view here. Now, if we go back to the SMS command list, now we have lots of commands. I mean, reboot, I'm not going to use this command because it will reboot the router. But let's use, when the router is now up, let's use the command cell down, for example. So if we go back to the mobile number and type in cell down, now this will turn the cell link down, and some people use it if they want to save on power consumption, for example. Then if you want to turn it up, you go back to cell up. So let's go back to the status page. Overview. And here the cell status should go down instead of up. Yeah, and we can do the reverse, of course, cell up command, and the cell will go up. That's it, how to configure SMS command on the Comset CM820V-W. Thank you for watching.